Alright, so let's write this as r squared is equal to 1 over theta. And note that this means we cannot have any negative rotation, okay, which doesn't really matter, right? Because we can always go around in circles, in positive direction. Now r is always, right, is going to be the square root of 1 over theta. Okay, so theta starts at 0, which is going to be undefined, right? But as you make the number, when you get a little bit bigger than 0, it's actually going to be infinite, really, really large, right? So let's just draw some rotational lines here. So what's going to happen is it's going to start out really large, okay, and right. So and let's actually see what happens if theta is pi over 2. We get r squared is equal to 2 over pi. So r is, plus minus root of 2 over pi. 0.8. Okay, so let's say that's 0.8. Okay, so it's going to start really large and it's going to just shrink to 0.8. Happens as a negative as well, right? Because r is equal to plus minus of that value. So it's going to have a symmetrical graph here. Okay, so as the theta gets larger, 1 over theta gets smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, so let me put some anchor points. Let's now put in theta is equal to pi. So r is equal to square root of 1 over pi. So we get roughly here 0.56. Okay, and here you're gonna do square root of this is 3 pi over 2, so 2 over 3 pi. 0.46 for the radius. Okay, so you can see what's happening is something like this. So you get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. It's going to continue to approach 0. But same things that happen on the other side as well, right? There's two graphs doing it together, right? So I think it's just going to be inside like this.